Alright, what's up everyone? I wanted to talk about backlinks, domain authority, and how to build a little portfolio of backlinks on the cheap. So as you see here, I was testing on Fiverr a couple of gigs here after doing lots of research on each individual person. And there are some things to keep in mind when you go to Fiverr. You're welcome to use these people, of course. I will have them linked down in the description below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and give a quick, thorough breakdown of what I've built for my website. Domain authority 1, page authority 27 for my homepage. Domain authority 1, page authority 14 for Sell My House Fast Milwaukee, as well as all of my city pages because they're interlinked from my main page to get a little bit of juice from the authority. From the page authority for my home page, not the domain authority. Got a page authority of 14 trickling in from the page authority of 27 from the home page. So let's go ahead and talk about my ranks. Do you need a domain authority over 10, 20, 30, 40 to actually rank page 1 on Google or top 3 positions? The answer is no. So actually, I had a lower page authority before, probably between 5 and 15, and I was still in the top 10. But now specifically, these are the keywords that I'm currently ranking for, rank position, right here. All top 10, page 1, that means, and it cuts off. I have more than that, and this is the top 50. So right off the bat, showing you proof right there, 50 keywords. All of them have over 10 search volumes, so none of these are bullshit keywords. They're all relevant, usually money keywords. We buy houses ASAP, sell my house fast Milwaukee, 3,600 volume. These are relevant keywords, and I'm on page 1 for some really good money keywords. You can see the volume here in the top 5 positions, which is where you want to be. I'm starting to grow my portfolio of top 5. Now I want to grow that position a little bit more, and what that requires is a higher page authority. So I'm building backlinks via news articles, guest posts, as well as some social profiles that offer those backlinks for 100% free. One of those backlinks, by the way, is Zillow ASAP Cash Offer. Now, if we just check right here, we could see Zillow, Florida, Cape Coral, right here. ASAP Cash Offer, page authority 40, domain authority 88, and this is a do follow link. Let me go ahead and click and show you. So if I click on this right here, automatic backlink checker, we could see red is no follow, blue is do follow. You can see all of the links that you're able to place in your professional realtor, real estate professional profile. Again, professional profile on Zillow, you're able to include your phone number, website, and all that good stuff. So my website, my blog, my Facebook, my Twitter, and LinkedIn, bottom left-hand corner, is actually a Google Doc. Inside that Google Doc has a list of all of my city pages. And guess what? This will eventually actually index on Google as well. Still currently waiting at the moment, but this will eventually index. And guess what? All of these are also do follow links. How incredible is that? So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the actual news articles themselves. So I have a couple things here. Let me go ahead and actually I'll keep that on for now. It looks a little messy, I know, I understand, but you're gonna kind of see the do follow links when we click on the actual website, like right here. All right, so this is a $10 package, 1 post with 2 do follow links. He says it's a Google News approved site. What does that mean? It means it's going to index instantly, hopefully. And it did, so that's great. So Google News approved websites is kind of what you want to go for a guest post when you're paying for it. $10, come on man, dirt cheap. You want to make sure you check the spam score so it's not a spammy website before you place the order. Make sure you're getting the exact link of the website before you place your order as well, because you want to make sure that you're going to be getting a decent quality, never low quality post. Spam score 3% right there. All right, ask them for examples and stuff too. So as you see here, the basic package is going to be domain authority 57, page authority 42, citation flow, all that good stuff. Global rank, it gives you all that information. So let's see, is that true? For $10, 1 post, 2 do follow links, 3-day delivery. It's going to be domain authority 57, page authority 42. So this is domain authority 58, page authority 42, page authority 24. So the page authority did fall down from the promise, but in the end, I'm still happy with it because it's only a $10 investment, and it's pretty decent. When we get to this $83 investment, $90 investment, you're going to find out that it was trash. So it's good to know the quality and who gives out the quality. From the actual post itself that he did, he gave buy houses ASAP, which was an anchor text, and cash home buyer Milwaukee, which was an anchor text to my city page. So my city page should be affected. Bottom left hand corner is the link. And we buy houses, my homepage should be affected as well. And those are do follow links, and the page authority is 24 and 58. So as promised, when we actually search site and then the website after www, so right there, so site and then website, we get the link right here, and it confirms 24 and 58, and this confirms that it is indexed. So this is an indexed article posted 3 days ago, and he basically did live up to his promise. So worth it, absolutely worth it. Visit this guy, link down in the description below, Razuyan. We'll get to his more expensive package later. Unfortunately, I would not recommend that at the moment unless it was done by mistake. We're trying to clear that up. Are you looking to get into SEO or Google PPC? Maybe you're building your website right now. I've completed 80 hours of heavy-duty research already done for you. Check out my huge list of 42,000 keywords for SEO and PPC. You'll get the best FAQ search phrases, such as who, can, and how search phrases. And the list of 42,000 keywords will be your Bible for site optimization or PPC campaigns. This list took me over 20 hours to compile, and you could download it instantly. Links in the description below. So, Surai J0, let's go ahead and examine his $30 guest post. 500 words on a domain 84 website, domain authority 84. We're going to go ahead and scroll down and see he's going to do follow permanent high domain authority. He has several domains, so you want to ask for more of a niche relevant domain. Mine's real estate, so I asked him for a real estate relevant domain. Has a low spam score. Safe do follow backlink. It's safe, so that's good to hear. Anchor text is optimized in the post at your request, and the post is indexed. Very, very important. So was this true? Was it indexed? Was it do follow? Was it low spam score and high domain authority? Let's go ahead and look at the post that they gave me. So it's on activerain.com. If we scroll down, we have the anchor text right here. I want to sell my house, my home ASAP. I want to sell my house fast with an online quote. So both are going to the homepage. All three are going to the homepage, and they're of course do follow. Page authority is actually a pretty incredible 37. I think the highest out of all of them, and the domain authority is 75. Now, did that live up to the promise? Domain authority 75, domain authority 84. I asked for a real estate relevant niche. I'm okay with 75 at the end of the day. The page authority is much higher than the original one for $10, right? So this is the $10 one for page authority 24. This is the $30 one for page authority 37. So I would say it was worth it, but was it indexed? It actually was indexed. Page authority 37, domain authority 75, and it shows up in Google already 6 days ago too. Look at that. It's almost right after my order. That's pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and talk about Waqas Ahmad 9. Was his $30 guest post domain authority over 80 worth it? If we scroll down, we could see what we're going to get. We're going to get a list of high quality blogs. Article length is going to be 500. SEO friendly, no spam score, white hat, and do follow. And it's going to be published on the main domain. I don't think that happened though. Let's go ahead and see if this lived up to the actual promise. All right, so the main domain doesn't look like it's posted on the main domain, but that's okay, no big deal. If we go to the home page, maybe it is on the home page. Let's copy paste the title and see if we could find it. Oh, it is. Look at that. It actually was on the home page here. Well, it looks like there's no do follow link to go to it, but it was on the home page. The home page was a page authority of 48, a domain authority of 70. The page of the article is page authority 26, domain authority 70. So, I mean, we do have it posted on the main website, but are we going to be getting the juice from the main website? As you can see, page authority 48, page authority 26, And this is not a do follow link right here. It's not do follow. So we're not getting the juice from the main website. Does it matter we're posted on the main website? In my opinion, I don't think it really matters that much. You could argue you're getting some juice right there, but you can see the page authority is not as high as it could be because it was not a do follow link coming to this article. It's just, semantics, really small things. What matters at the end of the day is the actual page authority and domain authority of the link that they're selling you. So $30 got page authority 26. Was it indexed? It wasn't indexed. Oh, bummer. So Delascalius, sell your house fast as is. I triple checked it just to make sure in case they maybe did something wrong. And yes, it was not indexed. Maybe it's going to take a little bit longer to index, but after 3 to 6 days, March 28th. Oh, they posted it just today, actually. So yeah, I'll give them a benefit of the doubt, maybe 1 or 2, maybe 3 days max to see if it does index. But as these other people have posted the articles, they were instantly indexed because they're Google News certified, which means anything that's posted, usually within half an hour to a couple hours, it automatically goes up because it's news. This website did not do that, so just keep that in mind if you ever order from this person. It's at $30 and it will not actually index. So let's talk about the most expensive one, which is $85, and it's supposed to be domain authority over 80. You're going to get one article with 2 different do follow backlinks. So on the basic package, basic, $10, you're going to get domain authority 61, page authority 36. On the standard and premium packages for $85, that's an 8 or 9x increase. That's a lot more expensive. You're getting domain authority 83 and page authority 47. That better live up to the hype. So it also says that these are going to be indexed. They're Google News approved site because this is the person from the very first, if you recognize him, from the very first one. Level 2 seller, 277 feedback. Let's go ahead and come all the way over here back to the $85 package and see how it worked. So they're promising domain authority 83, page authority 47. What do we get? We got page authority 27. That's the same page authority as the $10 article. So paying 8 times more didn't do anything. The domain authority is 58 on the $10, 81 on the $85. Is paying $85 worth it to get 3 extra page authority and 30 extra domain authority? I don't think so at all. So unfortunately, not really happy with the $85 order. Stick to those $10 to $30 orders, and I think you'll be fine, totally fine with those, unless you find a unique gem that will actually give you high page authority news article transfer. He did index it, so credit to him, but he also indexed the $10 one. So I would rather, in my opinion, have 10 totally different $10 links, because see, they're $10. I'd rather have 10 $10 websites linking page authority 20 to 30 to my website rather than one $80 page authority 27, even though it has a higher domain authority. I want that high page authority to pass the juice to me. Now, if you go look at the actual backlinks and anchor text themselves, need to sell my house ASAP, sell your house fast, going to Milwaukee, so that's good. And this one is going to ASAP cash offer, which is good. However, the actual on-page authority is not worth $85. So everything was indexed except for this one right here. But when we go look at the actual article, March 28th, 2021, this is probably posted within the last 12 hours, maybe the past 12 hours. So we need to give it a little bit more time to index to find out if it really was worthwhile or not. Got quite a few links going on here. 5 anchor text, 6 anchor text going on there. So that's pretty good. Hopefully it does index, because when it indexes, Google will crawl this. Google will see this link and goes to this link as a do follow link. It will pass the juice, the page authority juice from this site to your site. So if it's indexed, that's when it's actually credible. If it's not indexed, it's not going to help you as much. So keep that in mind. Again, these are the link generators if you want to check them out. Razuyan, he has a $10 package. He also has more expensive packages. I recommend the cheaper packages. The more expensive packages did not live up to what he promised. Still in talks with him. Maybe it was a mistake, but I don't think it was though. And then the $30 package from Soralj Zero, $30 guest post, perfect, loved it. And then the $30 guest post from Wakas Ahmad. I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt. However, it doesn't look like it was indexed. Let's see. Does he index? All posts are indexed. So everyone else says that they are indexed. I'm going to go ahead and give him the benefit of the doubt and say that it will be indexed over time. But maybe I just looked at this and did the video a little bit too soon for him. All right, so Razuyan, $85 package. Do I recommend it? Honestly, absolutely not. 10 out of 10 times, no. $85 for something that is basically the same equivalent as the $10 package. So get 8 $10 packages, different posts, different articles, different contextual writing 8 times instead of getting this 100%. I would highly recommend doing it that way instead. So I currently have a page authority of 27, domain authority of 1. Let's try to get that domain authority up just a little bit there. Increase that page authority. Try to increase the page authority as well on my Milwaukee. So sell my house fast Milwaukee, domain authority 1, page authority 14. I'm letting you know those numbers because eventually when I do get these sites on Google with the articles forwarding to them, I want to make sure that it has really good page authority and domain authority over time. So if I show you these now, I could show you that once upon a time, these were low domain authority, low page authority websites. As you can see, everything that my homepage links to right here is page authority 14. So the next task, which would be an expensive task, is finding a way cost effectively to spend money on links and actually get results for every single city page. So once I see the bump on the city page from these results, from the Milwaukee results, I'll be able to compound that out and come out with a budget to see on my homepage down here. All the city pages I have, going to be well over 50, close to 100 if I'm spending $10 per article. And let's just say I need 3 articles and there's 100 pages. That's $3,000. I need to make sure I spend that money wisely and effectively. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you got some juicy information out of link building, paying for guest posts on Fiverr, what to look out for. You want to make sure, of course, it does index. You want to make sure with the free Moz toolbar, it has a good domain authority and page authority on the actual website itself. And the one that I should recommend at the end of the video here, highly recommend Active Rain, domain authority 75, page authority 37. The winner, I would say, if there is any winner, would be Saral J0. Was he on any others? No, he was not. So he only did one. I might come back and actually purchase another one from him just because that one basically it gave exactly what I wanted. High page authority, the highest out of all of them, and it was only $30. And domain authority 75, which is very acceptable, and a low spam score. So would I buy from this person again? Absolutely. Links in the description. Visit this guy. Show him some love. He's probably going to be too busy to do mine now, but I wanted to give you guys some information on link building as I am learning it right now as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Are you looking to get into SEO or Google PPC? Maybe you're building your website right now. I've completed 80 hours of heavy-duty research already done for you. Check out my huge list of 42,000 keywords for SEO and PPC. You'll get the best FAQ search phrases, such as who, can, and how search phrases. And the list of 42,000 keywords will be your Bible for site optimization or PPC campaigns. This list took me over 20 hours to compile, and you could download it instantly. Links in the description below. Down below, you'll also find a list of 500 top-ranking real estate websites. This is a Goliath of data. I compiled all 50 states, page 1, top 10 results into one single spreadsheet. You'll find your competitors' page load speed, ranking position, website links, Facebook links, any videos they use, and their backlink profiles. If you want to download any of these spreadsheets, check the links in the description or my pinned comment.